us in Chicago, Illinois, criminal defense attorney who represents Jussie Smollett, Tamara A. Walker. Also want to welcome now in New York, criminal defense attorney Phil Hamilton. Thank you both for being on with us. Phil, let me start with you if I could. So we don't know how long this trial is now going to be postponed. The earliest we can expect they'll go back is January 18th. How does this postponement affect the trial?
Postponements throughout the course of a trial always affect it simply by virtue of the fact that you lose your flow. Whether you are the defense attorney, whether you're the prosecution, sometimes even the judge, what happens throughout the course of a trial is that everybody gets into a flow. The jurors as well. There's a rhythm, and to the extent that COVID, has come upon us within the last couple of years, what it's done throughout the course of a lot of these criminal cases, including this one, is that it just breaks up your flow when you're in the middle of trial, and trying to pick it back up at times can prove a little bit difficult. That being said, sometimes you do need a break just to be able to go back over what's working, what's not, kind of, reviewing the transcript. There are ways that you can look at this as a luxury, but in many respects, it comes with its downsides as well, particularly in the sense of losing that flow.
And I know that, generally what happens during trials due to the pandemic are uncharted territory because it's all new to us. So, Tamara, in this case, in your opinion, the COVID delay, do you think that that's something that is, let me rephrase this. Are you surprised that the attorneys basically agreed that it be postponed and that the defense didn't jump up and down and say, mistrial, please?
Oh no, no, they had no choice. This is a safety concern. We're dealing with a global pandemic, and I think the judge handled it beautifully. I don't know, apparently that wasn't his initial plan, but the way that it came together and the way he handled it with the jury, I thought was outstanding.